Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Alright, I'm back guys on behalf of SMS Phone Leads. I'm bringing you this today just to show you real quick. I just literally got off the phone with a new person that just signed up and purchased this system, this amazing system and tool. And they want to be able to make some money from home, but they're on a budget. Okay, and they really like SMS Phone Leads, so we actually just discussed it, and I was just showing them how they can take this $20 product and make $100 a day, just promoting this product, okay, on a budget. So I was inspired to bring it to you as well, okay. So you're here guys because you landed on my page because you're right now searching online for a way to make money online. That's how you ended up on my page. I'm an affiliate marketer, okay. I actually sell other people's products or services, okay, and I in turn get a commission for that. But I just don't talk about these products. I actually use them myself, and I make money with them. So that's why I'm bringing them to you, because it's been proven that it works, okay? So SMS Phone Leads, I joined this program, I think it was like October of 2017. So it's been around a little bit, okay? September or October. All right, so I've been using it for a while. It's a great tool that you can use. Doesn't matter what business you're promoting. Doesn't matter what you're selling, okay? If you have an online business or offline business, this is a great texting tool, okay, that has a lot of value that they've given you for $20. It's unbelievable, okay. So anyway, everybody has their phone with them, okay, so it makes sense. Technology is where it is, okay. So it's only $20 for this tool. They give you an actual phone number, okay, that you can promote. I'm going to go over that and show you some things I jotted down. But as you can see, here's some testimonies, guys, of people that's using it and loving it. And here's my testimony right here on September 24th, as you can see right here. I put a testimony out there and they put it on their webpage. But it comes with this 7-minute video, okay, that's going to do all the explaining for you. All you need to do is get people to this page, okay, and let this little system do the selling and telling. So for $20. So right here it tells you what you get. I get these questions all the time. What is this all about? You know, people don't want to read. Everything is right here on this page for you. Okay? That way you're not getting it from me and, you know, the company, the owner is telling you what you get. So read it right here. Okay? You get a virtual phone number with instant auto text reply. That means when someone dials your phone number, it's instantly going to reply a text message back to their phone number with your link that you're promoting, okay? So it's amazing, okay, that all you need to do is promote and share a phone number, and it literally provides your link. Whatever you want to promote, you tie that website link to that phone number, and when the number is dialed, they instantly get that number, that link on their phone. Okay, on their actual cell phone, and all they have to do is click it, and it takes them right to your website, whatever you're promoting. So anyway, so to promote this and make $20 over and over and over, okay, that's what we're talking about. How to promote this and make $20 over and over and over, because it's instant pay, guys. It's 100% commission. There's no admin. It's just $20. Okay, it comes with 100 credits. Okay, that's on here as well. It tells you that. It comes with 100 credits. So literally 100 people can call the number and get the information, get your link. Okay, so that's a great way on a budget. Spend $20 and 100 people can dial the number. Okay, so that's a great way to get started. So as you can see right here, it shows you. You sign up, you collect $20, and you get paid. Okay, it's instant pay. Now, they have an option. This is optional. For an extra $10, you get some additional training. And you get a lot of training and nuggets in this little system for $20. I couldn't believe everything that you get in it. So it's optional. That some people will pay that. So at times, I'll get $30. Okay, and that's because they purchased a $10 additional training and funnel information. Now, there's an upsell. If you want to upgrade and take it a step further, we have in the back office is something called the SMS Phone Blaster. Now that's $33 a month. The $20 and the $10 is one time, okay? The $33 is a month. If you want to upgrade and get the SMS Phone Blaster, and that allows you to send a message, okay? You'll log in and send a message to 200 mobile phone numbers, 200 mobile leads, okay? When you add that up over 30 days, that's 6,000 mobile numbers, okay? So how would you like to promote your business, your website, your link to 6,000 people a month? That's what the blaster will allow you to do. That's optional, okay? But that's to take it a step further. And you even get 50% commission on those people. Everybody that upgrades to the $33 a month, the company's going to give you 50% commission. So you could actually earn $46.50 per customer if they get the $10 optional training and they upgrade. If not, $20. So anyway, we're working with the $20, how to get that. So that's only 5 a day, guys. 5 a day, 100, even 5 times a week. That's an extra $500. Okay, so $2,000 a month that you can earn just promoting this little tool. Okay, so I'm going to show you some numbers I put together. But before we do that, right here on the same page, right here it tells you get 100 text message credits. Okay, so it's a lot of options, but to keep it simple, you just promote the phone number. Okay, you can do a bridge page and all that's, can be incorporated. But to keep it simple, I just want to give you the bare minimum bone basic. Promote your phone number. You're going to be assigned a phone number as soon as you pay your money. The system is going to assign you a phone number. Promote that number and start making $20 commissions. Okay, so let me show you on the inside. Let's go in there and let's see how you promote it. Hang on one second. Okay, when you log in, see what you get in your back office. You go on to training, you click SMS marketing. Okay, I want you guys to see where this is because people always call and ask these questions, but you have everything right here at your fingertips. If you just log in, hang on. Okay, it kicked me out. I'm back in. So you click on training and go to access SMS marketing. Okay, let's see. Here's your banners. Here's your social media swipes, classified ads, text messages, email swipes. So let's just go to social media swipes. So you can promote this, guys, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, IG. Okay, see here. Just copy this information. It's already here. It's a copy paste system. So, okay, or you find a website that offers banner advertising. Here's all your banners. Just click in this spot here, copy it, right click copy, and paste it onto the website that offers banner advertising. Okay, so you have everything you need. Classified ads. Okay, you want to place an ad on Craigslist or some other places that classified ads where you can do classified advertising. Copy this information. It has your link in it. Boom. Add 1, add 2, add 3. Okay. Text messages. People always ask, well, what should I say on the text? Me personally, I like to put my own twist on it. It's great to copy, and you can do that, but put a little twist on it. But to get you started, here's 3 messages already in your back office. Email swipes. If you have a list of people that you already have built a list, okay, and you can just email your list, copy some of these emails, send them back, okay. But let's say, oh, I don't have a list. No problem. Guess what? You got banners, you got social media swipes, Facebook, and all these other social media outlets or classified ads. Okay, so this is for everybody. All right. Now I'm gonna go over. I jotted down some notes. I'm gonna show you here. Hang on. Alright, so this is what you're going to do, guys, to get started. Okay, you can give me a call. Use my number right here. I'm going to put the link below for this so you can get your $20 system today. Spend $20. If you want to get the additional training, you can do that as well. It's a lot of training in there for $20 for this system that you get. So I highly recommend it because you can never learn enough, okay? So the more you're armored with, the more that you can put out there, and you can utilize this to help you get more sales and signups. Okay, but it's optional. But for $20, get started. You can upgrade if you want to the SMS Blaster and send 200 messages a day. Okay, here is the packages. Okay, because you got to have credits. You get 100 with the $20 for the $20, but once those run out, you have to go in your back office and buy more credits. And this is the packages. For $12, you can get 800 credits. So literally, that's 800 people that can dial your number. That's very inexpensive marketing. For $36, 3,000 credits. 3,000 people can dial your number. $60, 6,000 people can dial your number. Now remember, if you're going to do the Blaster, it's all sharing those credits. So if you're going to be sending out the text messages, remember the credits are going to be used towards you sending text messages, and if you're sharing your phone number. Okay? So I definitely highly recommend you get this tool. Okay? Not sure what this here is for. Let me take this off of here. Okay? So I'm going to put the link below, guys, for you to go ahead and get this system. But let me show you something else real quick. How do you promote it? Okay, we just talked about that. Log in, send a text message. I'm going to do one real quick live for you real fast. You can send a text message, log into your back office. You can use the SMS Blaster with any smart device. You don't have to be on your computer. You can actually log into your smartphone, your tablet, and send a text message every day. Okay, if you upgrade. Okay, share your number everywhere by posting ads on classified websites and social media, which is what I just showed you. We've got all that in the back office. The third way is purchase solo ads. Okay, the vendors I use, I don't have to give them ad copy. All I do is give them my link, and they can send visitors to me. Okay, that's paid advertising. Now I use the Conversion Pros to track all my leads, because I send people to a capture page. Okay, so if you want to step this game up and really push SMS phone leads and capture your leads and send email follow-ups, you need a full system to do that. And I'm using the Conversion Pros. Okay, you can go to givemeleads.info and check it out. Take a 7-day trial, and I can even share my page with you by giving you my share code. It's only $50 a month for Conversion Pros, and you're going to make $25 for everybody you refer over to the Conversion Pros, and they pay you every Friday. Okay, so let me show you a page real quick, and we'll send a text message out. Hang on one second. Okay, this is a page I created in the Conversion Pros strictly for SMS phone leads, period. Turn your cell phone into an ATM. See how I make $100 while I'm on the beach. Okay, is that pretty cool or what? And once they enter the information, it goes into my back office of the Conversion Pros, and now I can email them. Okay, my system will email them an autoresponder, as well as I can follow up with my leads. Okay, so let's send a text message real quick. I'm going to show you how easy this is. I'm on the computer, but you can do this from your smart device, okay, as well. So hang on. Okay, so I'm in the back office, and all you do, guys, is you go here and get your copy of what you want to send. Okay, now if you join me, I have some additional text messages I can send you that you can use that's been proven to work as well, because you only have 3 here, but I can give you more. All right, so let's do this live. Okay, so you copy that message. Now I'm going to use a domain because I have a domain that's going to my capture page. So let's go here. All right, and let's system specs, and you go to Blaster. Okay, you go there, and I'm going to type my message. I have 2,397 credits. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to paste that message that was in the back office. But instead of that long link, I already have a domain. I'm just going to use it. Okay, so I'm going to go to mobilemoney.ws. Okay. So you're telling them right here. Alright, boom, I'm going to hit send. I don't want to test it. We're going to send this out real quick. We hit yes, send. Okay. And it's going to send it out. That's pretty much it. Of course, it's going through its timing session here, but it's going out. Alright, so I'm going to put the link below for this. Okay, that message is going out. Put the